London, the majestic capital of the United Kingdom, is a city that exudes history, culture, and modernity. It is a bustling metropolis known for its iconic landmarks, diverse communities, and vibrant atmosphere. The history of London dates back over 2 millennia. Founded by the Romans as Londinium in AD 43, the city has been a significant center of trade, politics, and culture throughout the ages. The Tower of London, a historic fortress and UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a testament to the city's ancient origins. London's skyline is dominated by architectural marvels such as the Houses of Parliament, where the iconic Big Ben clock tower chimes across the city, and Westminster Abbey, a centuries-old place of coronation and burial for British monarchs. The River Thames gracefully winds through the city, adding to the scenic beauty and acting as a symbol of London's historical and economic significance. The city's diverse neighborhoods showcase its multicultural essence. From the vibrant markets of Camden to the elegant streets of Kensington, London offers an array of experiences that cater to different tastes and interests. Each area has its unique character and charm, with a rich tapestry of languages, cuisines, and traditions. London's cultural scene is unparalleled, with world-class museums, theaters, and galleries. The British Museum, with its extensive collection of artifacts from around the globe, attracts millions of visitors each year. The Tate Modern and the National Gallery celebrate art in all its forms, while the West End theaters host some of the best theatrical productions in the world. Transportation in London is well developed, with the iconic London Underground, commonly known as the Tube, serving as the lifeline of the city's public transport network. The iconic red double-decker buses, black cabs, and the futuristic Emirates Airline cable car offer varied ways to traverse the city. London's literary heritage is also noteworthy, having been home to literary giants like William Shakespeare, Charles Dickens, and Virginia Woolf. The city's streets, parks, and buildings have often served as settings for timeless works of literature. In conclusion, London stands as a city that harmoniously blends its rich history with a contemporary outlook. A melting pot of cultures, ideas, and opportunities, it continues to be a city of dreams and aspirations for people from all walks of life. Whether it's the grandeur of its historical landmarks or the vivacity of its cultural scene, London's allure is undeniable, making it an enchanting destination for travelers and a beloved home for its residents.